Spaceflight is ballistic flight into or through outer space and an application of astronautics. Spaceflight can be achieved with different types of launch systems, conventionally by rocket launching, which provide the initial thrust to overcome the force of gravity and propel a spacecraft from the surface of the Earth. There is top 5 space flights. Vostok 6 was the first human spaceflight to carry a woman, cosmonaut Valentina Tereshkova, into space. The spacecraft was launched on June 16, 1963. Like other cosmonauts on Vostok missions, Tereshkova maintained a flight log, took photographs, and manually oriented the spacecraft. In Tereshkova's account of the mission and her post-flight debriefing, she mentioned having assorted body pains and difficulty with her helmet headset. An official history of the Soviet space program published in 1973 described Tereshkova's physical condition and in-flight performance as udovlotvoritelno, adequate, rather than itlichno, good or outstanding. Soyuz TM-31 was the first Soyuz spacecraft to dock with the International Space Station, ISS. This Soyuz TM spacecraft carried the members of Expedition 1, the first long-duration IS crew. It was launched from Russia at 7:52 Utah on October 31, 2000 by a Soyuz U. The crew consisted of Russian cosmonauts Yuri Gudzenko and Sergei Krikalev, and American William Shepard. Gudzenko was commander of the flight up, but once aboard the station, Shepard became commander of the long-duration mission Expedition 1. The spacecraft served as the crew's lifeboat while docked to the ISS. The Expedition 1 crew were returned to Earth via a space shuttle during STS-102 in March 2001, and the Soyuz TM-31 spacecraft stayed with the station for part of Expedition 2. In April 2001, another spacecraft, Soyuz TM-32, arrived at the station and took over responsibilities as the station's. SpaceX and NASA made history on May 30, 2020, with the first launch of astronauts launched to orbit from U.S. soil in nearly a decade. The mission, called Demo-2, is the first crewed test flight of SpaceX's new Crew Dragon capsule and the first time astronauts have flown to orbit on a commercial spacecraft. Riding inside the Crew Dragon, NASA astronauts Bob Behnken and Doug Hurley lifted off from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida on a Falcon 9 rocket at 3:22 p.m. EDT and began a 19-hour flight to the International Space Station. Since the last space shuttle, Atlantis, launched on July 8, 2011, the United States hasn't had a crew-rated spacecraft. In 2010, before that last shuttle flight, NASA created the Commercial Crew Program, CCP, to replace it. The goal of this program is to create a safe, reliable, and cost-effective way to transport crew from U.S. soil to low Earth orbit, LEO. Dragon 2 became one of 2 winners in this effort to replace the space shuttle. NASA selected 2 commercial partners, SpaceX and Boeing, to provide 2 redundant rides to the ISS. They wanted to ensure uninterrupted access to space, which is why both companies had to develop spacecraft that fly on different rockets. Apollo 11 was the spaceflight that first landed humans on the Moon. Commander Neil Armstrong and lunar module pilot Buzz Aldrin formed the American crew that landed the Apollo lunar module Eagle on July 20, 1969, at 2017 UTC. Armstrong became the first person to step onto the lunar surface 6 hours and 39 minutes later on July 21 at 2:56 UTC. Aldrin joined him 19 minutes later. They spent about 2¼ hours together outside the spacecraft, and they collected 47.5 pounds of lunar material to bring back to Earth. Command Module pilot Michael Collins flew the Command Module Columbia alone in lunar orbit while they were on the Moon surface. Armstrong and Aldrin spent 21 hours and 36 minutes on the lunar surface at a site they named Tranquility Base before lifting off to rejoin Columbia in lunar orbit. Vostok 1 was the first spaceflight of the Vostok program and the first crewed spaceflight in history. The Vostok 3Ka was launched from Baikonur Cosmodrome on April 12, 1961, with Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin aboard, making him the first human to cross into outer space. The orbital spaceflight consisted of a single orbit around Earth which skimmed the upper atmosphere at 91 nautical miles at its lowest point. The flight took 108 minutes from launch to landing. Gagarin parachuted to the ground separately from his capsule after ejecting at 23,000 feet altitude. The Vostok 1 was launched by the Soviet space program and made by the Soviet rocket scientists Sergei Korolyov and Kerim Kerimov. The cosmonaut flew inside a spherical module. There were controls for use in an emergency. The spacecraft had a food locker, radio, an experiment cabinet, and a round window. Gagarin ejected from the spacecraft after re-entry and landed by parachute. It was the top 5 space flights. Subscribe to the channel and like. Bye.